So what is difference between GP and GS? That means geometric progression and geometric series. So what is progression? If I take an example 2, 4, 8 and 16 and so on, you can see there is a relation between these numbers. You can say 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Every number is multiple by 2. That means these numbers are in sequence. When numbers are in sequence, we call it progression. What we call it? Progression. If I apply some operation between them like this, 2 plus 8, 4 plus 8 plus 16 plus and so on, in this form we call it series. If we apply some operation between the numbers, then we call it series. Otherwise the number in sequence but without any operation between them is called progression, right? This is called progression, this is called series. I hope you understand what is the difference between progression and now I'm going to show you the simple term in GP. If I take some number a1, a2 and so on, these are general form of GP. If I assume these numbers are in GP, then if I have to find the nth term, that means n term, that means we have to find some term here, anywhere it can be. So how can we find? The formula for is Tn is equal to, T means term, which term you going to find. T is equal to A r raised to power n minus 1. This is the formula to find the n term, right? So learn this formula first. Tn is equal to A r raised to power n minus 1, where A is the first term in a series, which is first term, that is A. R is the common ratio. I am going to explain how to find the R, and n is the number of term you have to find, right? So now I'm going to tell you, taking example, how to find the common ratio, right? If I take the same example, if this is in a GP, then what is R? R is a ratio which is, if I 4 divide by previous term, that is 2, it is equal to 2. This is the ratio we can find, or we can check it is GP or not. We can find the other number 8 divided by the previous term, it is also 2. Again I check 16 divided by previous term, that is 8, it is also 2. So if R is remains same in for all these numbers, then we can say it is a GP series, or R is called the common ratio. So we can find R from here by dividing the term with the previous term. So we can find here R is equal to 2. That means common ratio in this series, in this GP is 2, right? Taking another example 3. So if I find the next term means 4 term. 3 terms we have to find the 4 terms. So what we will I have the formula for n term. To find the n term, A into r raised to power n minus 1. This is the formula to find the n term, right? So what is A? I already said A is the your first term. Then that means A is equal to 3. And what is R? How can we find R? R is equal to 9 divide by previous term. We know it is in GP, so we can easily find R. 3 3s are 9. We do not need to check it is GP or not. If it is given it is GP, then we just divide second term by the first. We get R is equal to 3. So R is equal to 3. So now we have to find the 4 term, that means n is equal to 4. Putting these 3 values in this formula, we can get the n term. How can we I'm going to put this value. So what is Tn? T4, n is equal to 4. T4 is equal to, what is A? A is 3 into what is R? R is equal to 3, and n is 4 minus 1. This is also is equal to 3. 3 raised to power 3. We multiplying 3 times, what we will get? 3 into 27 and it is equal to 81, right? So this is the 4 term we have here, right? So in this way we can use this formula to find the n term, right? What is the formula? I am again explaining. What is the formula? Tn is equal to a r raised to power n minus 1. This is the formula we have to learn. A is the first term, r is the common ratio, n is the number of term. Which number of term you have to find, right? Here, and if n is 6, then here we put 6. If n is 5, we put 5 here, right? Taking another example, if I have given 4, 8, 32 and so on. First of all, we have to check it is GP or not. How can we find? To check the common ratio. 8 divided by 4, it is 2. Again 32 divided by previous term, that is 32 divided by 8, it is 4. So there is a difference between the common ratio. Here it is 2, it is 4. So we can say this is not GP, because common ratio is not same. So we can say it is not in GP series, GP progression. Again taking an example, 5, 10, 20, 40 and so on. So if you a question have given find the sixth term, right? So you know what is your first term. A is equal to given 5, and what is r? How can you find r? Second term divided by first term, that is 5. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So you can check 20 divided by 10, it is also 2. So third term you can check, it will also 2. So 2, it is the same common ratio, that means this is in GP. So r is equal to 2. So you know the formula to find the n term. Tn is equal to a r raised to power n minus 1. This is the formula you have to apply. Putting the value of 8 is 5, right? T6 we have to find. Here Tn is equal to formula is this. We have a is equal to 5, r is equal to 2 and n is equal to 6. And 6, a is putting the value of a 5, r is 2 raised to power 6 minus 1, again 5 into 2 raised to power 5. Now you have to multiplying 2 5 times. What we will get? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 6 to 6 to the 32. So 5 into 32. Again multiplying here, 32 into 5, 5 to the 10, 1, 5 3 is 15 or 16. This is 160. That means this is the sixth term. 160 is the sixth term of the GP that we have to find.